Oh. Now it is. Oh. Oh my god. Now it is.
We should get a scene. Oh, sorry.
It's so cold.
I can't even focus on reading the fucking doc.
We weren't prepared as to how cold it was gonna be.
Why didn't you tell me? Oh my god!
That moment when powder's taller than James. Yes. Yeah, get it, I guess.
Like a little elf.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Can I have a turn? Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it. Get it. Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Whoa. That did not work how I thought it was going to.
I could start.
Do you just have to hold it? Ooh. Oh my god, wait, is that getting stuff everywhere?
On the floor.
Okay. Wait.
Oh my god. Just react. Here, okay, go.
Look at my forehead, okay? Ready?
That was good for a second.
Run it. My face isn't seen anyway. Go. Okay.
I get bald really easily this way.
Okay, okay. We don't need to be bold.
Okay, let's do this shot.
Yeah,
I know. Okay, are you ready?
we can almost angle it like this, and then we can switch spots to make it.
Oh my god. Serious face.
Okay, no, not that either. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna reach out and hold you. No. Okay, you ready? I'm just gonna hold.
Just look at me.
Okay, my bad. No. I would not be sitting on the floor right now.
You know what? I think he might have sat on his finger. That's it.
That's it. That's the whole
That's it.
Nuh-uh.
That's it.
I paid $30 for that.
Again?
God, I keep kicking the tripod. My shadow got in that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, we'll just stand back to back for now.
Okay. Okay. Oh, one more. One more. Yeah. 3.
There's a cat!
Kitty.
There's a kitty over there!
Kitty.
Oh, it heard me. Hi, kitty!
Wow. Damn. I know there's a bunch of shit in these boots.
Oh.
Easy to kick shit up.
Okay. Kinda cool. Wait a second. Hold on. The urges.
The urgent. The voices.
The voices.
The voices.
What?
Okay. Okay.
Happy. I feel like you did not react. I like it. I couldn't help it.
That's so bi-coded. Oh, hey. Hey.
You also saw that car drive by really slowly, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Oh, shit, there's a person. There's a person. I don't know.
A guy, you probably saw us in the outside, like in the video. We go, oh,
He's walking over
here. There's a man walking over. Okay, cool. But so the man walks over, and I walk to him because I'm a little bit more confrontational.
Yeah, I know. I can't do confrontation.
I can. But I walk up to meet him, and I'm like, "Hi, we're just taking some pictures. We're filming. We didn't go inside the school. I'm being nice and stuff and explaining." And he just looks at me, and then what did you say when he walked over?
I was like, hi, and he goes, how are you? And I was like, I'm good. He's like, this is private property. I was like, oh yeah, I'm sorry. We were just taking pictures.
He asked where we live.
And I was like, oh, we live like 15 minutes away. We don't.
We live farther than that.
I kind of was like, oh, we drove past the other day, and we're like, oh, this would be a cool place for some pictures.
Yeah.
I completely made that up. We did not drive past you the other day. We did not live 15 minutes from here.
No. So, and then we were like, oh, okay. When he said the private property, we were like, okay. We immediately started picking up our stuff, said sorry. He said something like, I get it, or whatever like that. I think he was just like, cool, whatever.
Yeah.
But, so we pick our stuff up, and I looked over, and I saw him taking pictures, not of us specifically, but of, like, different parts of the building, and I think he was trying to assess if there was any damage.
Which, why would it matter? There's graffiti all over the place anyway.
It's an abandoned school.
Like, come on.
And so we pick up our stuff, we start walking to the car, and I turn around, or I like look behind me, and he's taking pictures. Yikes. Of the fence or of us, one of the two. Either way, I don't like it, but
right.
Sorry for the short cutoff.
That was so scary.
Oh my god. Bye, y'all.
Oh.
We're so cool.
I like how Jinx has guns and then I literally only fight with her fist.
Pacifism. You go like this.
Oh my god.
And I'll point my gun.
Okay, I think that works better. You're just on the table.
I felt like what the frick is this?
Oh, that one might be.
That scared me for a second.
Let me start a new video.